Hi guys, how you all doing, and welcome to my channel. I'm Rick, the Backyard Chef, and today I'm going to show you my take on cauliflower cheese. We are going to make broccoli cheese. So we will make a broccoli cheese bake. Let's show you how to do this.
Okay then, our first job is to take the florets off the stalk of the broccoli. So just cut all the way around. Take the florets off and then try and get them into even pieces. Add to a pan of water. Add a pinch of salt and bring the pan to the boil. Now we only want to boil this for a maximum of 5 minutes, no more. 5 minutes is up, take out the broccoli and drain. Then we have to make our cheese sauce. So in a pan, put 60 grams of butter. Turn on the heat, stir it round till the butter starts to bubble, and then put in 60 grams of flour. Now we need to keep stirring this and cook out the rawness of the flour. As soon as it thickens up and we're starting not to have any lumps in the sauce, add a splash of milk. Stir it through, keep working it. It will thicken up very quickly, but we are cooking out the rawness of the flour and making it easier to have a lump-free sauce. As soon as it thickens up, add another splash of milk. Stir it all through, keep working it, and then we need to change to a whisk. So add the rest of your milk, change to a whisk, and start whisking this sauce. It only takes a minute or so to have a completely lump-free sauce. Keep stirring until it's silky smooth. Turn off the heat, add a pinch of nutmeg and stir it in. Add a good handful of cheese. Now I'm using cheddar cheese. Stir and fold it in until we have a nice gloopy cheese sauce. Now I always start off my broccoli cheese bake by putting a little bit of cheese sauce in the bottom of the baking dish. It's just a base for the broccoli to sit on, and make sure that the sauce is all the way through. Then add your broccoli. A pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Then pour over the remainder of your sauce. Once you have the sauce over your broccoli, just work it in a little bit so the sauce actually goes into the broccoli florets. Add another good handful of cheese all over the top, and then a good pinch of nutmeg. Then we need to place our broccoli cheese mix in a preheated 180-degree oven for 30 minutes, or until our cheese is bubbling and golden. Take out, let cool down a little bit, and serve. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe.